Health On! Hello, my name is Samuel Salgado, and here's your SEO report. So we're going to start with our first tool, which is SEMrush. We're going to go to organic research and look at your keywords, which you have 1,300, traffic 590, traffic cost 2.2K, and branded traffic. The next thing we're going to do is look at your positions. So to get your starter keyword set, in positions, you go to 2 to 15, and you want a keyword difficulty of very easy. So we have 18 organic search keywords. Position 2 for Tadafil hair loss, Cialis hair growth. Next is we want to get some starter metrics, and we want to save these metrics because we're going to use them later. Things like your authority score, which is 10, your backlinks, which is 404, your organic search traffic, which is 590, and some of those keywords. But to get a deeper grasp on keywords, let's go to our next tool. So our next tool is Ahref. In Ahref, we're going to look at using some free tools. So in this first tool, I went with the website traffic checker. Your organic traffic is 1,000, and your top keywords, which we're also going to write down and save for later, is tesofenzyme before and after, which is a position of 1, which is perfect. Tesofenzyme when to take, also position 1. Tadafil hair loss and Tadafil hair growth are all position 1. But Tesofine benefits is position 5, and the volume is 1K. Also, something to note is that 18% of your traffic is coming from India. So if you have any videos or content, adding subtitles in Hindi could be helpful. Our next tool, and this is a tool that most people don't know how to use or neglect, and that's ChatGPT. Why we're using ChatGPT is because we're going to take all of those metrics from before and give them into ChatGPT using prompt engineering, and ChatGPT will create a baseline template. We're not just going to blindly use this template. We're only going to take the baseline for this template as a starting point, and then me as an SEO strategist will go onward with the next steps. Because you have a lot of ranking keywords and a good amount of search traffic, the goal is really more on-page SEO, things like adding video, things like optimizing your meta descriptions. Go into ChatGPT and implement some of the metrics that you got from SEMrush. Like I said in my video on working with prompt engineering, you want to give it a task. So we put the 475 backlinks. We gave it some of the keywords. We put some of the information from the social media. We gave it the 1,072 5-star Google reviews. You want to give ChatGPT as much information as possible. So we gave them information on the Instagram, on the YouTube, and on the SEMrush. ChatGPT will then give you a robust SEO strategy. As an SEO strategist, you want to just take this as a template. But for instance, my task was, how do I get their position of number 4, chiropractor Fort Worth, Texas, to number 1? So they said optimize for chiropractor Fort Worth, Texas, add location pages, embed Google reviews so you can get local SEO signals, increase internal linking so you link this keyword from homepage, service pages, and blog posts. You want to optimize the Google My Business and make sure that everything's consistent. And then the other task I said was, how do I get net curve correction, another keyword that they had, from number 6 to number 1? And they said expand the content. So make it a pillar page. Like I've been telling previous clients in the past, is you want to embed videos, especially from their YouTube, into the blogs. Use FAQ for feature snippets to strengthen the local SEO because, again, it's Fort Worth, Texas, so it's local SEO. You want to add geo-specific content into your blogs or videos, like top-rated chiropractors in Fort Worth, Texas, what to look for, or does net curve correction really work? How chiropractic care helps. You want to build high-quality backlinks. To get to number 1, you need 1,000. You have 475. Get local and niche authority links. Help a reporter out. Answer journalist queries to get featured in major publications. Guest post on chiropractic and wellness blogs. Or, in my case, guest post on DecentMed. For the YouTube strategy, you want to integrate vidIQ. I know it doesn't say that here, but that's just a great tool to use, completely free tool. Improve your technical SEO and page speed. Mobile optimization. Use Google PageSpeed Insights to ensure fast load times. Improve core web vitals. And then finally, ChatGPT will give you a 5-step conclusion. Number 1 is optimize your top keywords. Dominate local SEO with Google reviews, citations, and Fort Worth content. Boost backlinks from local businesses, guest posts, and Haro. Integrate YouTube SEO tools like vidIQ. And finally, ensure technical SEO with mobile speed, schema markups, and internal linking. And here are some final insights. So your meta description is a good length. It could be a little longer at 160 characters, but the reason why it's red is because the title is not in the meta description. So what we'll do is go through each page of the website and make sure that the title and meta description is optimized for the keyword and works great. Finally is Screaming Frog. When I integrated your website into Screaming Frog, some of the concerns that I found were that 3 pages had lorem ipsum placeholders. That just means that there's no actual text. So you want to add relevant text to those pages. And that's the only high priority issue, which is pretty good. Finally, to get advanced analytics, because as you can see, I'm a data-driven SEO professional that only uses data analytics in crafting solutions that work, is we want to integrate the Google Tag Manager into your website so that we can make sure that the SEO strategy is dynamic and that it's consistently being optimized over time, utilizing real metrics stemming from Google Tag Manager.